It's that time of the week when we bring you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and the location for this week's show is Acadia. Stay tuned for the next half an hour for the latest in entertainment. Pree Dis starts right now. Dancehall artist Tifa's birthday bash Aqua was recently held at the Jewel Resort's Runaway Bay. Let's check out the highlights.
Now watch her style. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Way up. Yeah, the 60 friendly, but the sweet. Yeah. I be feeling like a man when I'm up through. Can't tell what you're saying when I'm up through.
Is an artist that we've worked with over the years, CPJ on a whole as a brand, and recently Luke Belair decided to partner with her. The first partnership being the music video Jealous Over with Dexter Daps, which was a huge success, really pushed the brand, and gave it the publicity it needed. So when she approached us to be a partner for her birthday party, we only felt it, just what would I say, just appreciation, for her contribution to the brand's growth and development that we be here tonight. So it was just a natural synergy, and we truly love Tifa. CPJ loves Tifa, Luke Belair loves Tifa.
As an artist, you have to look to stand out against everybody. Competition, because you have to be different. In being different, that's what sets you above the rest. And Tifa is in that lane.
I love the energy, I love the vibe, and I mean, trust me, Tifa, people them come out and support the thing to the fullest. They don't know. Sentan people around, Sentan people around support things, and they know Tifa, the female, our artist. So no matter how we forward from, right over Jamaica, we come support Tifa. And the vibe up, right now, Liquid and Shell it, and all the other slickers, them burn it, and I just forward for support the thing to the fullest, said way to go. I don't know it go. So I know the whole zip team there, CJ Diamond, Liquid, Chrome just pass through. A bag of things, bag of vibe. Girl, them look good. Food turn up, liquor turn up. It's a good look. Tifa, big up yourself.
No, the vibe crazy, Peanut there, Tifa, your party shot, Sun City Radio there, 104.9, Liquid and Shell now, whole team there, loud, mad Tifa, loud, real.
Tell me what you like about Tifa?
What I like about Tifa, I like her image. She have a real image, right? Sexy, what I love. Don't keep up the image, Tifa, we love it.
Right now, I represent live Tifa Aqua birthday party right in St. Anne's Jewels Water Park. Water, but I just go water, too much water. I want to pick up everybody as one of the organizers of the party. Don't know, pick up everybody who partner and support. Bless up Tifa your birthday. Hey. How was it?
It was fun. Yeah, it was fun. I get my corruptions, I'm good.
Corruption, tell me, what you like about Tifa?
She's one of my craziest friends, isn't it? Right now we have a cake war, CEEN, and a fair birthday, and we turn up, basically. Don't mind the cake on my face.
Where you came tonight, though?
The vibe was good. You see me, the vibe was good. That's all I can say. We enjoy ourselves. We're drinking responsibly and everything. You see me, but that's a good vibe.
Big up yourself, Tifa. I want to say happy birthday from That's My DJ to you. We're here in Jewels, Runaway Bay, and we wouldn't come out unless it's you. We really appreciate the work that you've been doing. We've been working together for so long, and I've seen your journey. and I love what you're doing. Stay Away was a huge, huge project for you, and I can't wait to see what it is that you're going to give your fans in 2016. So, happy birthday again, Tifa, from me to you. You know how it go. We have a whole heap of things happen next year. It's our project.
Ready, ready. Rule out now. And it's my life, good and real.
It's a rainy day here in Acadia, but let's get right into it. Vodka Exclusiv is a new product on the market, but let's hear more about the product from the launch recently held in New Kingston. Let's check it out.
All the time to keep you off my mind. Ooh, high. All the time to keep you off my mind. Spend my days locked in a haze, trying to forget you.
Well, besides from the looks, the name Exclusiv, it's simple. The quality, the taste. That's what really makes it exclusive.
Was it strategic to launch this time of the year, middle of December?
You know, to be honest, it's actually kind of late. But as I said, a vodka, it can never too late to launch vodka in Jamaica.
What's so unique about this vodka?
Well, besides when I bring it all the way from Russia, Moldova, the quality distilled at least 5 times. The premiumness, even though it's premium quality vodka, is really affordable.
Now, who are you targeting?
The crowd is talking Jamaican people. I'm not talking uptown. I'm not targeting uptown, downtown. I'm targeting Jamaican people that acquire the taste for true vodka.
Now it's time to head to our first commercial break, but when we get back, it's all about our video premiere and our Talent on the Rise segment. We'll be right back.